Light. It provides life, supporting every living thing to survive and thrive. For businesses, data is light. Data intelligence turns chaos into clarity, making predictions more accurate, informing smarter decisions, and empowering businesses to grow bigger, faster. At Lucient, we are leading the way in data management and business intelligence. Founded in 2002 as Solid Quality Learning, better known as Solid Q, we've been trusted by thousands of businesses to deliver data intelligence and unlock superior business insights. As we look ahead and adapt to the evolving needs of our clients, we will celebrate our 20th anniversary, reborn as Lucient. Our new name reflects the power of data to shine new light on business decisions. It guides our focus on sharing our knowledge and helping upskill in-house teams. And it drives us into the future as together we continue to develop some of the world's most advanced data intelligence solutions. Are you ready to experience data clarity?